OTC backtesting risk lets you perform a backtest or VAR calculation on any instrument over any historical time period for which Bloomberg has data. The backtest is extremely simple to run, requiring just a few inputs with preset defaults for all of them. After entering the instrument's characteristics in the left-hand pane, simply specify what to calculate in the backtest. Either the instrument value or one of the Greeks or sensitivities. Then choose a historical time window to use, such as 3 years ago to today, or say June 1st, 2008 to June 1st, 2012. Also choose a frequency, which represents the horizon over which you wish to analyze the instrument. In other words, if you're interested in how risky the instrument will trade over the next month, choose monthly, which will use monthly data from your time window, repricing the instrument every month in the past. Next, specify what type of graph to display. This can either be the value that is calculated or the change in that value over time, on either an absolute or relative basis, shown on a per-period basis, or cumulatively. The graph itself can be displayed as either a function of time or a frequency distribution of calculated values. Next, a rebalancing rule is chosen, which is discussed in detail in another video. Then, a volatility factor can be selected, which takes the historical shifts and either makes them larger or smaller than the actual data. Entering 1.0 leaves them unchanged, while 1.1 makes each 10% larger and 0.9 makes each 10% smaller. Finally, interrate midpoint allows you to control the interest rate process. In OTC backtesting and risk, interest rate shifts can be a blend of normal and log-normal shifts. Low rates are mostly multiplicative shifts, and high rates are mostly additive shifts. This mostly keeps rates from going negative or becoming too high. This input tells the app that rates above this level lead to purely additive shifts, and rates half this level lead to shifts that are half additive and half multiplicative. Then press Go and watch the app zip through the calculations. When it is done, the raw data will be displayed, as well as the requested graph, and several statistics will be calculated as well. Mean, standard deviation, percentiles, VAR, value at risk, and Sharpe ratio. These tables may all be copied and pasted into Excel for further analysis. This graph is the instrument value over time. We can also ask it to graph the frequency distribution of profits and losses, and see all the statistics. Now that you've seen how to do single period VAR and backtesting, please check out the next video on multi-period VAR.